In continuation of the last videos on alkenes of BSc Part 1 Organic Chemistry, in this video we will continue with the chemical reactions of alkenes, and the first reaction that we are going to undertake is alkylation of alkenes or addition of alkenes. Isobutylene reacts with isobutane in the presence of acid catalyst at 273 to 283 Kelvin and it forms isooctane. This reaction occurs in the following three steps. In the first step, the isobutylene adds on proton and forms tert-butyl carbonium ion. Now, one molecule of isobutylene reacts with a molecule of tert-butyl carbonium ion and forms an adduct carbonium ion. Now, this adduct carbonium ion abstracts hydrogen as hydride from one molecule of isobutane and forms isooctane, and also tert-butyl carbonium ion is formed. Now the next reaction is alkynylation of alkene, that is addition of alkenes. Isobutene on dimerization in the presence of acid catalyst H2SO4 or H3PO4 at 80 degrees centigrade forms two isomers of isooctane. So we see that isobutylene undergoes dimerization in the presence of H2SO4 and forms 2,4,4-trimethyl-1,1-pentene and 2,4,4-trimethyl-2-pentene. This reaction takes place in three steps. In the first step, the isobutylene adds on proton and forms tert-butyl carbonium ion. Then this tert-butyl carbonium ion reacts with a molecule of isobutylene and forms an adduct carbonium ion. Now this adduct carbonium ion loses proton and forms 2,4,4-trimethyl-1-pentene along with 2,4,4-trimethyl-2-pentene. The next reaction is addition of formaldehyde on alkenes. Alkene reacts with formaldehyde in presence of dilute mineral acid to form 1,3-diols or cyclic acetals. So here we see that aldehyde, that is formaldehyde, adds on a proton and forms protonated formaldehyde, which exists in two resonating forms. And this on addition with alkene forms carbonium ion which has hydroxy group. Now this carbonium ion which has hydroxy group undergoes hydrolysis, loses a proton and forms 1,3-diol. Now this 1,3-diol further reacts with another molecule of formaldehyde in acidic medium and forms cyclic acetal. For example, ethene on reaction with formaldehyde and on further hydrolysis forms 1,3-propanediol. This 1,3-propanediol again reacts with formaldehyde in acidic media and forms 1,3-dioxane. The next reaction is addition of carbenes on alkenes. Carbene is the divalent species of carbon which has 6 electrons in its valence shell and acts as Lewis acids which accept pi electrons of alkene. Propene reacts with carbene and forms methyl cyclopropane. So here we see this diazomethane undergoes decomposition on heating and forms carbene, that is methylene, and nitrogen. Now propene reacts with carbene and forms an adduct. Now this adduct on rearrangement forms methyl cyclopropane. The next reaction is oxidation reaction. Oxidation of alkene takes place easily. Oxidizing agents attacks on double bond of alkene. Formation of the product depends on oxidizing agent. The first is ozonization, ozonolysis. Alkene reacts with ozone in inert solvent at lower temperature and it forms alkene ozonide. Addition of ozone takes place on double bond of alkene. This reaction is known as ozonization, and this ozonide so formed is reduced with zinc and water to form carbonyl compounds. Hence, formation of carbonyl compound from alkene is known as ozonolysis. With the help of this reaction, the position of double bond in the compound can be known. So here we see this alkene reacts with ozone, forms ozonide, undergoes hydrolysis and forms carbonyl compounds. Ethene. Ethene reacts with ozone, forms ethyl ozonide, undergoes hydrolysis and forms methanol. Propene reacts with ozone, forms ozonide and then undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of zinc and forms ethanol and methanol. 2-methylpropene reacts with ozone. 2-methylpropene on reaction with ozone forms ozonide and the ozonide undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of zinc and forms propanol and methanol. 2-butene on reaction with ozone forms ozonide which on hydrolysis forms ethanol. If we consider the mechanism of ozonization and ozonolysis, alkene reacts with ozone, it forms unstable initial ozonide which rearranges to form ozonide. So this ozonide is also unstable species and reduced with zinc and water to form carbonyl compounds. So here we see that this alkene and ozone forms ozonide which is unstable, and this unstable after shifting and breaking of the bonds and then rearranging forms an unstable ozonide. Now this ozonide undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of zinc and forms carbonyl compounds. The next reaction is hydroxylation. Alkene reacts with alkaline KMnO4 and it forms glycol. 1% alkaline KMnO4 is known as bias reagent. It is of light violet color and decolorizes with alkene. This reaction is used for listing unsaturation in hydrocarbons. So here we see this alkene on reaction with alkaline KMnO4 forms ester, and this ester on hydrolysis forms cis-1,2-diol. So here we have ethene. Ethene on reaction with alkaline KMnO4 and on further hydrolysis forms 1,2-ethane diol. This is known as syn-hydroxylation. Cyclopentene reacts with KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4 and forms an adduct, and this on hydrolysis forms cis-1,2-cyclopentane diol. Similarly, osmium tetroxide forms monocyclic osmium ester which on hydrolysis with sodium hydrogen sulfide forms syn-1,2-diol. So here we have alkene reacting with osmium tetroxide forms monocyclic osmium ester and on reaction with sodium hydrogen sulfide and on further hydrolysis forms cis-1,2-diol. If we consider the next reaction, here we have propene. This propene on reaction with osmium tetroxide forms monocyclic osmium ester and this on further reaction with sodium hydrogen sulfide and on hydrolysis forms 1,2-propane diol. Cyclopentene reacts with osmium tetroxide and forms syn-1,2-cyclopentadiol. Alkenes react with per acids to form oxidanes which on basic hydrolysis gives trans-1,2-diol. So here we see, here it is alkene, it reacts with NaHSO3 that is sodium hydrogen sulfide and per benzoic acid and gives oxidane. This oxidane on hydrolysis in alkaline media forms trans-1,2-diol. Performic acid that is 99% H2O2 and 1% HCOOH is the best hydroxylation agent. So here we see that propene in the presence of performic acid forms 1,2-propane diol. That's all for today. Thank you.